Welcome to Finding Out a New World in English.
Prepositions of time and place. Prepositions of time, at, in, on. Prepositions of time answer the question, when. A preposition of time specifies the moment when actions and events occur. Use, at, to talk about something that happens at an exact time on the clock, during parts of the day, or on special festivities. Exact time on the clock, at 6 p.m., at 10:30 a.m., at 2:15 p.m., at 7:45 a.m. Parts of the day, at midnight, at noon, at sunrise, at sunset. Special festivities, at the carnival, at the parade, at Christmas, at the wedding. The concert starts at 8 p.m. The meeting is at noon. See you at the wedding. Use, in, to talk about something that happens in any season of the year, in centuries and decades, during parts of the day, or at some point in a month or year. Seasons, in the summer, in the spring, in the winter, in the fall or autumn. Centuries and decades, in the 14th century, in the 16th century, in the 1900s, in the 60s. Parts of the day, in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening. Special festivities, in June, in October, in 2025, in 2007. Our exhibition is in the summer. The plot is set in the 18th century. That was trendy in the 1970s. Children must be ready in the morning. We're going on vacations in December. The eclipse will be in 2050. Use, on, for specific days and dates. Specific days, on Monday, morning, afternoon, or evening, on Wednesdays, on November 17th, on March 08th, 2019. Specific dates, on Mother's Day, on Christmas, on my birthday, on Halloween. I ride my horse on Sundays. They throw a marvelous party on Halloween. Prepositions of place, at, in, on. Prepositions of place answer the question, where. A preposition of place indicates the location of something or someone in relation to other object. At refers to places, buildings, and exact addresses where someone or something can be inside or outside. Specific places, at the supermarket, at the airport, at the gym, at the play. Exact addresses, at 143 White Street, at 456 Amy Avenue and Green Street, at 789 Owl Drive, at 101 Tree Road. Natalia is at the bank. Anastasia's school is at the corner of Sunset Avenue and 21140 and Garden Street. In refers to neighborhoods, cities, countries, and other large locations. In other words, it is used for geographic areas with boundaries. And enclosed spaces. Someone or something is physically surrounded by walls. It indicates being inside a building, room, object. Geography, large locations. In the forest, in Paris, in America, in the ocean. Enclosed spaces. In the kitchen, in the classroom, in the museum, in the office. Nicholas lives in Milan. Jose is in the secretary's office filling out a form. On refers to streets and avenues and specific physical locations that involve surface contact between two objects. On also refers to everything related to the internet. Websites, social media and platforms, and anything that involves a screen, like the TV or a signal, like the radio. Streets and avenues, on Ship Avenue, on Apple Street, on Palm Drive, on Broadway. Physical locations, on the wall, on the table, on the bus, on the branch. Digital on a website, on YouTube, on TV, on the radio. Georgina and Anna are on the train. Ocean Bank is on Sunflower Street. Did you listen to that beautiful love story on the radio? Here's the final tip. Use in when a vehicle does not have a corridor, you have to sit down immediately. In a car, in a taxi, in a helicopter. Use on when the vehicle has a corridor or enough space to walk. On a bus, on a submarine, on a ship. On is also used for small vehicles where you sit on top of them. On a bike, on a motorcycle, on a horse.